How to change wallpaper on Android. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to change wallpaper on Android. So now without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the settings app on your phone. And now here, once you're inside the app, simply scroll down and there you'll see the option labeled as wallpaper. So here you can just tap on it. And now here in this section, you can browse through the available wallpapers, or there you can just tap on the wallpaper carousels or your photos as well to choose an image from your gallery. And now here, once you have found the wallpaper that you want to add, you can just tap on it, and here with that you can just hit on apply, and once you do that your new wallpaper will be applied immediately. And that's it with this. If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.